Today we are going to discuss about this capacity building session. Here we will discuss about the data analytics and role of data analytics in data science domain. So let us start the session. First we take an overview. We discuss about the data science process first. First thing is the data collection. We collect the data, then data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, model building and model deployment. If we see here, this data collection and data cleaning part goes to data engineer. They do work on this. They collect the data from various sources on a database or server or somewhere, and they clean that data on a macro level and transfer this to data analyst. From here, the role of data analyst starts. Data analyst also clean the data on micro level. Then he or she perform the exploratory data analysis, where they perform various tasks, descriptive analysis and inferential or diagnostic analysis. And then model building, which is a part of predictive analysis for the forecasting purpose. And next role comes for machine learning experts. So they also know about the model building, and they are basically the software engineer, so who can deploy that model in a day-to-day operation. So this is the whole role of data scientist. If the person knows from data collection to the model deployment, so he would be the data scientist. Now you know that the core of data analytics, business intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, data science is statistics and math. Okay, so the core of all data domain disciplines are statistics and mathematics here. What is statistics? If we see the generic definition of statistics, it is a science and art of collecting, classifying, computing, analyzing, interpreting, presentation of data and its insights. So we collect the data, art of science and art of collecting the data, how to collect the data and classifying it. The classification of data everybody should know: the categorical, numeric, ordinal data, discrete data, continuous data, binary data. Okay, and analyzing it after computation and interpret the result and present the insights, everything in the form of table or in the form of graph, figures, whatever. So this is the definition of statistics. So we have seen here it is science and art. So why it is science and why it is an art? So we discuss here. If you have to find out the mean of these data 2, 5, 8, 10, 15. So it is, you will see the sum of these all, you will get 40. 20 plus 15, 25, 35 and 5, 40. And there are, how many items are here? 5 items. So 40 divided by 5. So we get the 8 as a mean. Okay, the mean would be 8. If anybody calculate it without any calculation mistake, we'll get the same mean. It doesn't mean that I am more experienced than you, my mean would be better than you. So there is some method by which we have to calculate the mean. So it is a science. Where some method applies, it is called science. Just like if you mix the acid and base, you always get the water and salt. Nobody could get the alcohol out of it. So the same thing is here. So it is a science. We always get the same result. Next, why it is an art? If I ask someone to interpret this glass of water, so some of you may say that it is half empty, or some of you may say that it is half filled. But statistics hides so many things when it shows the result. So when you are able to search out the things behind the value of the results, then you can be a good data analyst. So here, the right interpretation of this glass of water, this glass is full, half with air and half with water. So here we could not see air, but air is there. So in this way, the interpretation always require some experience. Okay. If you are liking this video, please subscribe, like and press the bell button. So in future you can get the notification of the videos. What is the data analytics? So data analytics is a process. It is a process of inspecting, how to inspect the data, because we have a very large data sets and you could not inspect it through a glimpse of data. Just watching the data you could not inspect it. So you require some statistical measurement, these all things to inspect the data, and for which you require some tools. Okay, and cleansing the data, transforming and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusion and supporting decision making. So data analysis is a process. This is very important. Third thing is the business analytics. Business analytics refers to as the practice of using data analysis and statistical methods to gain insights and make informed decisions in a business context. When you are working in a business context, it is a practice. Business analytics is a practice. So it involves the exploration, interpretation, visualization of data to uncover patterns, trends and correlations that can help organizations optimize their operations, improve performance, and achieve their goals. This is more concerned with the business. Okay, the thing are same what we are doing in the data analytics, data analyst part, the same here, but it is only in the business context. So we have seen that statistics is a science and an art, data analytics is a process, and business analytics is a practice. Now you can see the business or data analyst flow. So you know that the data may be stored in cloud or databases or flat files. It may be anywhere in this sort of sources. So through the ETL process, we transfer this data to data warehouse, export, transform and load this data to data warehouse, from where through the SQL queries we could attach this data with our tools. Okay, and we can perform the analytics. Either you have to make the reports, or you can go through some visualization. Okay, so this is the data business analytics flow. So you must requirement of some SQL queries, you must learn that thing also. Now, what is data science? So data science is an umbrella term that encompasses data analytics, data mining, machine learning, and several other related disciplines. So data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structured or unstructured data. Data science is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. Okay, so if you see here in this picture, the define, understanding, problem, then data collection, then data cleaning, preparation, exploratory data analysis, model building, deployment, and this is the data science life cycle. In this way it works. So now we understood that statistics is a science and an art, data analytics is a process, business analytics practice, and data science interdisciplinary field. Now we proceed forward. So if you are liking this video, please you subscribe, like, and press the bell button so you could get the notification of upcoming videos. Now key highlights of our training program, what we are giving you free of cost here. These all videos, the free daily recorded video, free study material, hands-on experience, and evaluation and certification you will get. Okay, why join this training program? Earn an Elite certificate, receive a certificate of program completion from Cypher Analytica, exposure to latest AI trends, attend workshop on generative AI and its application, data analytics, learn in demand skills like Excel, Python, SQL, R, Power BI, and Tableau. Enhance your capabilities and unlock 10x more job opportunities, and industry relevant experience, gain experience through hands-on projects. So this is the reason why you should join this training program. Learning path of this is essential of statistics for data analyst, data analytics using Excel with AI tools, database management using SQL, data storytelling using Power BI, Tableau for business intelligence, data analytics using Python programming, data analytics using R programming, machine learning with R and Python, structured problem solving framework. So these all we will cover, and along with that we will also cover the career readiness training. So how to update your LinkedIn profile, your CV, everything we will explain. So thanks for this session. Thank you everyone.